It's Morgan and Kira back with M&K Sisters, and today we are going to show you what we have in our luggage. We're going to California and Disney, so we have some stuff ready for that, and we want to show you. This is mine. This is mine. Okay, mine is bigger for a reason. Usually it's the opposite. Yeah. Mine is bigger for a reason. You'll find out later, but yeah. Okay, so in my bag, you can see it's pretty Morganized because I'm Morgan, you know, get it? So I have some flip-flops and all these outfits. In this bag I have all shampoo, deodorant, makeup because we're doing like a photo shoot thing, lotion, you know, all the goods. Okay, then I have Minnie ears or Mickey or Minnie. Then we each have a Disney shirt that we're gonna wear when we go to Disney. Then we also, our whole family is gonna be Seahawks for a day, so I have these Seahawks pants, Seahawks shirt, and Seahawks gloves things, the bajiggers is. Well, and then I have 7 outfits, pajamas. Yeah, I stole that from my closet earlier. Then this, and my pins are down here, but for the necklace. And it has all the signatures from Disneyland. Mason, he's a princess? Wow! That's our brother, by the way. Then basketball shorts, more outfits. Then in here I have undies, socks, goggles, stuffs. Then in here, this is our ukulele, and that's why mine's bigger, because I'm the one carrying the ukulele. And our uncle knows how to play the ukulele, so he's going to teach us some more stuff. So we brought that. And if you watch our vlogs on Morgan Vlogs, which is my vlog channel, it's pretty much our whole family, but I just named it Morgan Vlogs because it's my channel. You'll see us playing and stuff like that. So I have swimsuits, shorts just to go over swimsuits, tennis shoes for just if we're going on a hike or if we're going to Disney, then sandals and flats. And oh yeah, I forgot to say, so this is my stuff for church, so a skirt and a shirt. That's the only thing different than the normal outfits. So yes, that is my suitcase. Now Kira can show hers. So here is my suitcase. I'm gonna need to open this. So on the outside, I did this myself. I put ribbons so I can notice it because there's a lot of people with silver luggage. And so I also put some information on it. Now it's time to open it. Let's see what's in it. So here's my suitcase. So right here I have my church dress / temple dress because we're going to be going to the temple and church. I have some workout leggings and stuff and workout jackets because I'm going to do I want to do yoga in the morning or something. Yeah, I have PJs because you need to be comfy at night. I have the Seahawks shirt for our Seahawks day. I have my Disney shirt and another outfit. Because we're doing a photo shoot, I have the photo shoot outfit and another shirt. So, and then I have basketball shorts and jean shorts and whatnot. Over here I have some undies and then other undergarments. Stop. And here and then behind the magic flap, I have my Mickey ears / Minnie ears, whatever. I have a jacket because it gets cold at night. Makeup, toiletries. I have my swimsuit and swimsuit shorts, socks, towel for the beach, hairbrush, and then under my jacket I have a bunch of shoes. I have sandals, tennis shoes, and church shoes. So that's all that's in my bag. So yeah. Okay, so that was a really short video. Maybe I don't have to do much editing so I can keep it long, you know? Well, anyway, that was our awesome
luggage.
Suitcase luggage thing.
Luggage?
So we're leaving in 2 days. That's why we're just getting ready. And comment down below or like or something if you want to see us do what's in our carry-on bag, because tomorrow we're gonna get some stuff probably at the store for our carry-on, so we're not bored on the plane, you know.
Like and subscribe.
Yeah, like and subscribe.
Dude.
Yeah.
Dude. What up, my dudes?
This is actually not a suitcase. It's a bed. Good night. Bye, guys. Bloopers. And then it's my car.
Okay, you guys are nuts. You guys know?
It's my horse.
It's